How to log into your FC Mobile account. Want to log into your FC Mobile account? Here's how to link and access your account, step by step. First, open the FC Mobile app on your phone. On the main screen, tap the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Next, find and select Link Accounts. Here, you'll see different login options, such as your EA account, Facebook, or Game Center, depending on your device and available options. Choose the account you previously linked to your FC Mobile account. For example, if your account is connected to Facebook, tap Facebook. You may be redirected to a login or confirmation page. Follow the on-screen instructions and confirm your account. Once the account is successfully linked, you should be able to access your FC Mobile account and its saved progress. Also, make sure you're signing in with the same account you originally used to save your FC Mobile progress. And that's how to log into your FC Mobile account. If this video helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more FC Mobile tips and tutorials.